Hello, and thank you for joining us today. I am Tutor Nathan, and as always, your virtual personal English tutor, and I hope you are having a wonderful day today. In this video, we will be talking about the past continuous tense and how to use it in sentences and questions. If you want to follow along, the link will be in the description below. Would you like to say hello, Queen?
Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great.
What were you doing today?
I was doing some queenly stuff.
Shall we get started with the lesson?
Yes, go right on ahead.
As I said before, we will be discussing the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used for things we started in the past before another action occurred. Another common use of the past continuous is that it is used for storytelling. We form the past continuous tense by using the subject plus was or were, depending on the pronoun, and the verb plus ing. Are you following along, Queen?
Yes, I am, and I hope everyone else is too. It is very interesting to know all this stuff.
Yes, it is, Your Highness. Now, the main way to use the past continuous, like I said before, is to use it for ongoing actions in the past before another action occurred. In this sentence, he was working on his homework when his mother called home to remind him to eat dinner. Here we can see that the boy was working on his homework sometime in the past when his mother reminded him to eat his dinner, and you can see the past continuous form in the beginning of the sentence. Can you think of a past continuous sentence, Your Highness?
I think, let me see, here we go. I was dancing at a ball earlier, before you interrupted me for this video. How is that?
That is great, Your Highness, but I think you were only sleeping when I called you earlier. Anyways, moving on. We can also use the past continuous tense to tell stories for negative sentences, and remember, a negative sentence is a sentence that has an opposite effect. For example, the Queen was not telling me about the throne yesterday, but about her dance. And we can form questions by putting the be verb and then the subject and finally the verb ing, like this. Wasn't John taking the shopping in when Billy came over to play earlier? Do you have anything else to add, Your Highness?
Well, besides that, I was not sleeping earlier. No, I don't. And other than that, I hope our viewers learned something in this video. Goodbye and have a great day, everyone. Aren't you forgetting the thing again, Tutor Nathan?
Oh yeah, this thing. I hope that our viewers learned something today. And if you did, please hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.